Welcome back, Ajay. This is Gary Maro. My name is Sid, and with me is Shivam from the Cornea Impression.
वेलकम बैक
Thank
फ्रॉम
you very
ग्रीस.
much. Thank you very much.
क्या सीख कर आए आप रेडियो डेज से?
रेडियो डे से we were just talking about it, no?
यस.
कि podcast के अंदर ये this was a new thing. I did not know कि ऐसा होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
कि always have record the beginning in the end.
सॉरी व्हाट?
So whenever you are recording a podcast,
यस.
you should always start off randomly just chatting वैटिंग जो भी कुछ आपको करनी
Okay.
होती है. आपका intro जो आता है podcast
हाँ.
का, you should always do it right at the end because by the end you are already in the groove.
वार्म अप
You
हो जाता है.
already know,
Yes.
you kind of have a feel of what all is there in the podcast
Correct.
as well, and then you can just always record it again.
सो इज दिस द एंड और इज दिस द स्टार्ट? लेट अस नो.
कब हमने ये रिकॉर्ड किया? ओके जी, सो दिस इज दैट पॉडकास्ट जहाँ पे रैंडम चीजों के बारे में तो बात होती ही होती है, बट उसके साथ साथ गाड़ियों के बारे में भी बात होती है. सो शिवम इज जैसे ही उसकी सॉक्स ऊपर हो जाएंगी बताएगा कि भाई ने क्या क्या गाड़ियां चलाई हैं. लोग ऐसे करते हैं, ये यहाँ पे पॉडकास्ट में आके ऐसे
मैं मोजे ऊपर करता हूँ.
बता.
तो हमने गाड़ी जो चलाई हमने दो तरीके की गाड़ी.
हाँ.
वन वाज द Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT,
ओके.
top of the line of the Cayenne,
हाँ जी.
650 odd horsepower, 0
Right.
to 100 in some 3.34 seconds type car.
राइट.
बड़ी प्यारी गाड़ी है. If you have to have a one car garage,
हाँ.
no other cars, this is the only car you need to buy.
खर्चा कितना है?
9 लाख दिरहम.
हाँ, तो फिर एक ही आएगी. उससे ज्यादा नहीं आ सकती. अच्छा, ओके.
But what a spectacular car.
Is it the have they done any modifications? Have they done any upgrades to the engine, to the body, to the interiors?
It's the same platform that is shared with the Audi RS Q8, the Bentley Bentayga, Audi Q7,
Right.
and the Lamborghini Urus,
Right.
and the Volkswagen Touareg,
Correct.
and the Audi RS6 and RS7.
तो my question is कि हम दूसरी वाली ले सकते हैं और उसके ऊपर इसका बैज लगा सकते हैं.
वो तो सब कर सकते हैं आप, but somehow they have engineered this car to drive with its own identity and purpose. I don't know how Porsche manages to do that, but
Right. कर
it is
दिया.
brilliant.
कर दिया.
It handles like a hatchback. So imagine वो 2 टन की SUV है और आप चला रहे हो like a very fast hatchback.
That reminds me, you also had the chance to drive the Bentayga
I drove the Bentayga
on a track.
on the racetrack. So I drove the Bentley, in fact, last night itself.
Show off देगा.
Go check out our stories.
देखा?
So we drove the Bentayga, we drove the Flying Spur,
हाँ.
and we drove the new Continental GT.
Okay.
We drove all three on the Dubai Autodrome. Brilliant. मतलब मैं और एक और आदमी है, एक और journalist है, and only two of us. We drove for 45 minutes. No questions asked. Enjoy.
Very cool. So Bentayga, you're saying it's the same
It's a SUV.
platform.
Yeah, but it drives completely differently.
Okay. So if you had to choose between the Bentayga and the Cayenne.
Porsche, any day for me, because I like the dynamic ability. Bentayga was a bit more comfortable, bit more relaxed. It's like a chilled out car. Porsche is like, chalo beta, आज पेलते हैं.
So now from the VW वाला जो पूरा का पूरा scenario है, from the parent company being VW, now let's go to the Japanese section.
Okay.
Okay. The Lexus RZ, which is the electrified version of the RX.
No, it's a completely new car which should be positioned around the RZ, the same size, same dimensions.
Okay.
There's a 350, there's a 500, and there's a 550, if I'm not mistaken.
RZ.
So 550 F Sport, which will be like the top of the line performance version, and then the base and the mid option and the top end that way.
Completely electric.
Completely electric.
So how was that? I mean, I'm just trying to understand कि इसका competition कौन है in this segment?
Audi Q6 e-tron, Mercedes EQE SUV, BMW iX, Porsche Macan. I told you that already. Yeah, no, Porsche Macan, yeah.
So out of these four, if you had to choose, if you had to put them in the order, कौन सा सबसे best है और कौन सा अभी तक?
Cannot do that because we haven't driven quite a few. So the Mercedes EQE will be going through a new overhaul, which will be.
But अभी तक का?
यार honestly हमने Lexus भी चलाया नहीं है अभी तक. It's just
Okay.
launched like few days back.
Hmm.
So we haven't driven the car yet.
Okay.
Once we drive the car, then we'll know what is happening, right?
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
So that's in the Japanese section.
Correct.
Now let's come over across the Pacific towards America, and then let's talk about Cadillac.
No, oh sorry, मेरे को अमेरिका के बारे में दूसरा स्टोरी याद आ गया, but we'll get to that. But we'll continuing the EVs.
Yes.
You saw
okay.
the-
So continuing with the
Yes,
EVs.
so
okay.
हमारे इलॉन भाई बेचारे परेशान है कि उनकी गाड़ी बिक्री नहीं है, right?
So apparently, a lot of people are not buying EVs anymore.
Yes.
Is that the case?
So it's weird. In 2024, the Tesla Model Y was the world's largest selling car.
So Tesla sold more cars in 2024, but
The Model Y sold more than everything else.
correct. But अभी लोग electric vehicles कम खरीद रहे हैं.
Yes.
But White House के अंदर electric vehicles का बोलबाला चल रहा है.
दुकान खोल दिए.
I didn't want to say that.
दुकान ही खोल दिए. यार वो दिखा वो जिसमें स्पेक शीट लेके घूम रहा है. वो बंदा व्हाइट हाउस का बंदा. there's a ब्लूमबर्ग पे कहीं पे एक फोटो आई है ना जहाँ पर वो उसने 4 वो पन्ने पे कागज पे
या
लिखा
तो
Tesla
Dogecoin से
Model.
लिया गया है या फिर वो ट्रम्प साहब का जो कॉइन है उससे ली गई है.
But seriously, but how? And he went and made an announcement that buy a Tesla from my good friend Elon. Bro, he endorsed it. He literally went and endorsed it. I mean, this is unheard of. I mean, imagine okay. If you're a
देख जिसका पैसा लगा होता है तो वो स्पॉन्सर कहलाता है और फिर उसके बारे में बात की जाती है ना. हम भी तुम्हारे बारे में बात करेंगे. द पॉइंट इज कि इतना पैसा नहीं लगेगा जितना व्हाइट हाउस के अंदर आपने दिया है.
भाई सीधी बात है कि when you're a person who's come into power by election process, that means you're not a business person at that point of time. So you have to be very careful with who you endorse. ये
आप
भाई साहब
समझाना चाहेंगे?
हाँ
वो यूक्रेन वाले भाई साहब ने तो ट्राई किया था. उनका तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. आप बताना चाहेंगे?
सुन लो मेरी बात. हाँ
Okay, this was on the EV side of things. Now let's go to the Formula One side of things in terms of an American brand now coming into Formula
Correct.
One. And
Cadillac
that
is-
is
Cadillac.
Shabash.
So Cadillac is coming into 2026 is coming into Formula One
Next year,
next year. So is Audi coming in next year
right?
with the Sauber team.
Hmm.
There is also talks of Honda powering Aston Martin cars. The
Red
Aston-
Bull से हट रहा है वो.
हाँ अभी Aston Martin के पास कौन है पता नहीं मेरे को. But Honda is going into Aston Martin
हाँ.
and Drive to Survive is on now.
Hmm.
So if you want to get updated with everything Formula One, all the not technically specific, but all the gossip, Drive to Survive is your show to watch.
अच्छा, so talking about Formula One, तो अभी मतलब when we were talking about our Formula One, तो we were just doing a little bit of research just to find out ऐसे randomly बैठे बैठे क्या करे करना है कुछ काम types. तो trying to
शुरू
figure
करो
out
Formula One.
exactly which are the cheapest races in Formula One.
Yeah. Before you talk about that, I just know which race I'm going to go to.
Which one?
Abu Dhabi. मैं और कोई कष्ट लेने नहीं वाला. हवाई जहाज पकड़ के वहां जाओ. तुम्हें जाना था ना कहीं पे.
I wanted to go, and that's on the list of the cheapest races, mind you.
अच्छा कहाँ जाना है?
The cheapest race that you can go for ticket-wise,
हाँ.
it's the Chinese, which is the second race.
Okay.
It's at about $200.
The
ticket.
just the ticket.
Just the ticket.
Okay.
And then you also have, I think there's the Japanese race as well, which is 200-250 के आसपास.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
And हमारे को वीजा की जरूरत नहीं है जापान जाने के लिए.
Exactly. E-visa लगता है bro.
ई वीजा लगता है. Exactly.
कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, आराम से आप जा सकते हैं वहाँ.
देसी लोग जापान जाओ Formula One देखने के लिए. No headaches.
Yeah. या फिर अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे पास में बहुत पैसा है, अंधा पैसा है, मैं ऐसे करके वो सब कुछ उड़ा सकता हूँ. The most expensive race is the Miami or the Las Vegas one.
Vegas one.
And उसके अंदर भी they have a special category of a ticket, which is a $5 million की ticket.
5 million.
5 million.
5 million.
$5 million के अंदर it's called the Caesar's Palace Emperor's ticket or something like that is there. जहाँ पे आपको वो ऊपर से सीजर्स पैलेस के ऊपर से आपको वो रेस पूरा का पूरा दिखाएंगे एंड 12 लोग इसके अंदर में माइंड यू जा सकते हैं।
अच्छा, तो आप इसमें 12 जन को ले जा सकते हो।
डच कर सकते हो आप।
डच क्या है, फ्री पे दे देंगे यार।
ब्रो मिडिल क्लास मेंटालिटी, आई एम सॉरी।
मैं गिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको।
अच्छा। द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर ने हमको बताई,
हाँ, मंसूर ने,
माइकल ने, his name is मयूर, हम लोग को कभी याद नहीं रहता है, बट he told us कि आप टिकट अगर ले भी लेते हो ये वाली, तो just 2 people can go for an Adele's show which is a sold out show at Vegas. तो वो 12 में से फिर से चिट्ठी उतरी, क्या पर्ची निकलेगी
कि कौन 2 जन जा रहे हैं,
उसी में से सिर्फ 2 जन जा पाएंगे। So बाकियों ने जितना पैसा दिया है, थैंक यू वेरी मच, नॉट हैपनिंग।
जयराम जी की टाटा बाय बाय, गो होम। नो, बट यू नो व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट द फॉर्मूला 1 रेस इन वेगास, एक तो रात को होती है, तो काफी ठंड होती है,
राइट,
बट दैट डोम विद ऑल द लाइट्स,
oh yes,
with the smiley face and the emoji,
sphere.
the sphere,
yes,
तो उस वो मेरे को वो देखना है, मुझे और कुछ नहीं देखना है, मैं वहां जाऊंगा स्फीयर देखने के लिए कि अगर वहां पर फॉर्मूला 1 का क्या दिखा रहे हो उसके ऊपर।
या अपेरेंटली जो लास्ट ईयर का मेरे को याद है, दे हैड ब्लॉक्ड आउट एवरीथिंग लाइक ऑन द स्ट्रिप। नॉर्मली व्हेन यू गो टू वेगस तो आप एस्केलेटर से ऊपर नीचे जा रहे होते हो, यू हैव द ब्रिजेस एंड एवरीथिंग टू क्रॉस द रोड एंड एवरीथिंग स्ट्रिप को, राइट, बट you can see छोटा वहां पे races because it's
glimpses
on the main road, right? यहाँ पे उन्होंने पूरा black out करके रखा हुआ है, till the time you don't buy your tickets, तब तक you cannot see anything.
Seriously?
Nothing at all.
So they literally barricade the whole thing.
Block out. Black it with curtains.
Wow. Or is it for the drivers don't get distracted by so much lights around them?
I have a feeling that too.
Because it's very bright. Like you're literally
Could
like
be
surrounded by flashing lights all the time.
And I'm sure.
So it must be a way to like block out all that light so that drivers don't get distracted driving on a race, a street circuit.
Could be. But yeah. So is it Japanese और यहाँ पे कुछ और है तेरा अभी?
जाने के लिए?
हाँ.
नहीं, मुझे अबू धाबी जाना है।
तू अबू धाबी जाएगा?
मैं खुश हूँ इधर।
तेरे को फ्लैश बीच में पड़ेगा?
नहीं, मैं यहाँ से अबू धाबी जाऊँगा, वहाँ से वापस आ जाऊँगा। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ उसमें।
Okay. So this was happening in Formula 1, but there is one electric car which has people divided over it.
Bro, I saw it. I have seen it in person. I was there when they launched it.
Did you see the pink color?
The pink color. I saw the baby pink color. And the amount of hate I got on that video, it's not even funny. But I love the fact that we got the hate because the video went viral. YouTube पे भी, Instagram पे भी. But it looked cool.
That is which car?
The Jaguar Type 00 Concept EV.
This is the new one.
This is the new one. ये रास्ते पे निकली थी अभी.
हाँ, correct. Paris Fashion Week.
Paris Fashion Show के लिए.
हाँ.
वो कोई मॉडल या एक्टर उन्होंने लिया था जो गाड़ी चला के आया. And he got out of the car and he went into the show.
Correct.
So it's the same car that was launched. They just wrapped it blue. There's also a word for that.
ये पता चल रहा है इंडियन कंपनी है. टाटा.
अब दूसरी नहीं बनाएंगे, हम उसी को रैप करेंगे.
उसी को सब जगह लेके जाएंगे.
वो तो ठीक है, वो तो हक बनता है. But I forgot the name of the color of the wrap. It's some
it's
electric
that blue. Yeah, bluish, purplish.
Yeah, but it's called electric blue or something that way.
Huh.
But the car looked so good. I think it looked really good when it pulled up. In fact, people were asking whether it's AI generated in that situation, but it was actually a real thing.
Initially, जब इससे पहले वाला जब वीडियो आया था, I actually thought कि it is AI generated. जब मैंने तेरा वीडियो भी देखा था, तब I wasn't thinking it's AI generated. I was just thinking that it's just a clay model जो उन्होंने सिर्फ खड़ा किया हुआ है.
हाँ.
कि it's just there. It's not moving. It's just there.
Yeah.
It looked like that.
Yeah.
But ये वाला is actually मतलब चल के आ रहा है and people are sitting inside. They're coming out of the car. नंबर मेरे को फिर भी नहीं दिखा वैसे. नंबर प्लेट
नहीं था उस पे. कॉन्सेप्ट कार.
तभी.
It's only for show.
इंडियंस नहीं बनाई है. अभी भी फुल जुगाड़.
नहीं, क्या जुगाड़ किया?
Applied for लिखा हुआ है.
वो यार हमारे ऑडियंस को समझ में नहीं आएगा ये.
अरे ऑफ कोर्स आएगा. इंडिया से अगर आप देख रहे हो, यू नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
हाँ, इंडिया से जो देख रहे हो उनको पता है, पर जो यहाँ के हमारे बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं उनको नहीं पता है क्या है ये.
या
बेचारे जुगाड़ू नहीं है.
बट दैट्स So you saw the car, the Type
00. Correct.
Your initial thoughts?
I actually like the way the thought process of Jaguar is in terms of designing the product.
Right.
The branding, the concept behind it is sound. They have the challenges how to bring it to life now. That is left to see.
Yeah.
That is yet to be seen.
Correct.
But
When are they bringing it out? Any idea?
supposed to be end of this year, next year.
तो एक तो है ही है उनके पास बनी हुई.
नहीं ये नहीं आने वाली है. This is only concept. मतलब ये this is only going to take bits and pieces of ये concept car है, ये नहीं आने वाली है. They are only going to take bits and pieces of this car
Correct.
and put it into a real car.
Correct.
This is not the car that is going to come onto the road. This is just for show.
It's kind of like Himesh Reshammiya.
Huh?
You either love him or you hate him.
But
There's no middle ground to
But
it.
this is not the product. हिमेश तो बन गया पूरा.
हाँ.
ये बन गया, उसके बाल भी सब बन
But
गए
अभी तक तो this is the product that everybody is talking about in terms of Jag, right?
Correct. It's a marketing.
Exactly. It's got people talking about
Correct.
Jaguar for right or wrong reasons.
100%.
Which is a good thing. क्योंकि इससे पहले nobody was talking about Jaguars.
There was nothing. There was no chat about it.
Correct.
Now everyone's chatting about it.
Everyone, whether they, it's kind of like वो जिनको नहीं भी खेलना आता क्रिकेट, जब वो मैच देखते हैं तो they have their 2 cents, no? कि अबे तेरे को ऐसा करना चाहिए था, अबे तेरे को वैसा करना चाहिए था. Everybody wants to say, हाँ नहीं इसके अंदर में ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है यार, ये क्या कलर निकाला है यार, ये बहुत लंबी है यार.
Exactly that.
Yeah, but it's got everybody talking, which is a good sign.
But the car looks fabulous as per me. The blue suits it. The fact that वो लोग रास्ते पे लेके आए, they showed that the car is working. It's dynamically sound in that sense that to be able to move even X amount of meters or whatever they drove it, but I think it's good. I am genuinely excited as to how the product will turn out in real life.
Right.
And I'm hoping it lives up to all our expectations because as a Jaguar owner myself, I am very fond of the brand. Very fond of the brand.
I mean, it is a beautiful brand. It has a legacy. And now it has something else. Let's hope it goes with it. It takes it somewhere.
Absolutely. Audi की बात करते हुए, there is a सूत्रों से पता चला है कि there is a new R8 coming back. The sports car.
New R8.
Yes. So, which will be based on the same engine platform as the Lamborghini Temerario.
Okay.
So, hopefully we may see a new R8 with 1000 horsepower.
Can I tell you? So, Temerario is their hybrid.
Hybrid.
It's that 20 किलोमीटर तक वो आपको इलेक्ट्रिक के ऊपर आप लेके जा सकते हो, and then after that you can take it on
it's more about
ICE engine.
Well, the hybrid powertrain is actually more about providing additional power to the unit rather than driving on all electric.
I actually was looking at one of the guys and उनको पूछ रहे थे कि how do you think this was going to help anything? It's like when it's basically going to help when subah you want to start the car and you don't want to wake up the neighbors. So you just start it on the electric, take it out, बाहर लेके जाके 5-7 किलोमीटर के बाद में जाके, and then you just shift to the powertrain, the petrol one, and then उसके बाद करके you can just take it there.
So the true advantages are, one is obviously one of the things is not to disturb your neighbors or the area you're in. Two is also when you go into city centers, a lot of city centers are getting sound emission radars. That means you can't be driving a car that is too loud in that area. So this is where you can move to EV mode and drive the car silently in a very congested city center across the world. And then go park your car peacefully and drive your car peacefully.
ये सिर्फ ये अमेरिका एंड यूएस एंड ये सारा जितना
यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, वेस्टर्न यूरोपियन
के अंदर में ही हो सकती है.
हाँ, और कहाँ है?
इंडिया के अंदर साउंड एमिशन,
साउंड
मतलब आप इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी को भी आप हॉर्न ज्यादा देते हो. Doesn't really matter. You're basically talking हॉर्न दे के.
हाँ, but it's for
the up market, no? Oh yeah, of course. हमारे पास Lamborghini है.
हाँ, exactly.
Yeah.
But
it's a nice thought, I would say, getting the R8 back. And honestly, I remember R8 being the first supercar, I would say, जो मैंने चलाई थी.
Oh, क्या बात कर रहे हो? The V8 or the V10?
The V10 when it was launched in India back I think it was 2007 or
Okay.
2006 के आसपास, sometime around that time.
Okay.
And that was the time they had just come down with 3 R8s, and we had just gone out. वो सारे journalists को
हाँ.
लेकर गए थे, and they had this whole setup. अभी जैसे वो drifters के साथ में जाते हैं ना,
हाँ.
so they had the guys come in from Audi and the racers, and we're just drifting away to glory. And I was like, हाँ, ये अच्छी है. एक दिन इसको लूंगा मैं.
ले सकते हो. It's not.
हाँ.
It's actually very cheap right now.
It's brilliant. It's, I feel, value for money, bro.
A used R8 is very reasonable right now.
It's beautiful.
1.5-2 लाख में मिल जाती है.
Simple.
हाँ.
And it does the job.
It does the and V10 600 odd horsepower.
It's a good drive. It's just but yeah.
Sponsors.
Yeah. Audi. अच्छा वैसे ही दे दो. We'll do a review about it.
पहले बनाने तो दो.
नहीं, पुरानी वाली का भी कर देंगे, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. हम भेदभाव नहीं रखते. Okay. But talking about भेदभाव, हम चाइना के साथ में भी भेदभाव नहीं करते.
हम उनको भी न्यूज़ में लेके आते हैं.
हम उनको भी न्यूज़ के अंदर लेकर आते हैं.
But it's too funny. It's too funny. मैं
I'll let you do the honors, please.
नहीं, but when I read the news, I read that news, I was, ये तो फेक खबर है यार, ये हो ही नहीं सकता. ये हो ही नहीं सकता. फिर मैं जाके सूत्रों के अनुसार और थोड़ा मैंने अपना इन्वेस्टिगेटिव रिसर्च किया, which is basically going on Google and searching.
Is this true? या चैट जीपीटी से पूछा?
तो चैट जीपीटी गूगल से निकालेगा ना. तो the funny bit, the story. तो Volvo, the car manufacturer, is now owned by Geely, which is a Chinese company. And they obviously have dealerships in China as well, right? तो उन्होंने चाइना में Volvo डीलरशिप में गाड़ी दी है बेचने के लिए. तो जो डीलरशिप वहाँ की लोकल डीलरशिप,
हाँ जी,
decided to make some more money. And you can spec a Volvo with Bowers and Wilkins audio system.
This is BOWERS.
BOWERS and Wilkins. WILKINS. Wilkins.
Correct. Yes.
तो डीलर ने सोचा मैं क्यों नहीं पैसे बनाऊं ज्यादा.
कैसे? I wonder.
I love it. I love the creativity behind it. इसको जुगाड़ू बोलते हैं यार. So the dealer went and removed the speakers, like removed the cover case of the speakers, and he put his own speakers. So okay. Bowers and Wilkins, Bowers and Wilkins का जब आप audio system spec करते हो गाड़ी में, it's a premium audio system. So you're spending at least 10 to 15,000 dirhams in just getting that option.
But it is
give or take. It sounds superb.
Yeah.
पर ये जो डीलर है उन्होंने सोचा कि वो 10-15 हज़ार कस्टमर से लेंगे और अपने जेब में डालेंगे. तो उन्होंने उसका एक मॉकअप बनाया जिसमें सेम टू सेम कवर है with the same font and everything. But a slightly different spelling. It's Bowers and Wilkins, but BOVVERS. तो जो V है ना ऐसे ज्वाइन करके W दिखता है. And Wilkins भी 2 V है जो W ऐसे दिखते हैं in the same font. And उन्होंने चिपका दिया गाड़ी में.
But it's not a fake, bro. It's China. वहाँ पे ही तो बन रहा है.
It's like Nike. It's like Reebok and Redbok.
Louis Vuitton. Come on यार.
So basically उन्होंने ये किया and अभी obviously customer लोगों को मालूम पड़ गया. So the parent company in Sweden and obviously Geely, मतलब जो भी उनके अब जहाँ पर भी based है, had to issue an official apology saying that they apologize on behalf of this dealership and all of that. My point being is पैसे कौन वापस दे रहा है? Apologize.
I want to know, is the dealership still on? तो बंदे के पास में है या फिर बंद कर दी उसको कि अब नहीं होगा भैया?
I'm assuming कुछ तो जुगाड़ होएगा, कुछ तो लफड़ा होएगा. अभी you can't just go down and close a dealership because what will happen to the sales and after sales and all the future deliveries and all of that. तो या तो वो लोग financially
It's China, bro.
बंद कर, जा यहाँ से, जा.
उसके साथ में नहीं होगा तो किसी और के साथ में हो जाएगा.
तू कंपनी इसको बेच. दे खत्म कर, जा यहाँ से तू.
Interesting. बढ़िया. दिमाग सही लगाया वैसे.
चोर बाजार वाला आदमी है.
You never know.
चोर बाजार वाला आदमी है. मालूम पड़ा कि उसने एक्चुअली स्पीकर निकाल दिए पूरे, दूसरे स्पीकर लगवा दिए और वो उठा के चोर बाजार में बेच दिए. You know that happens in Bombay, right?
Of course.
When you go there,
हाँ हाँ.
they steal the badges and all of that, right, of the car, and they would sell it. तो ये
Correct.
मालूम पड़ा यही कर दिया उसने.
You never know.
निकाल के सब
But
बेच
वहाँ
दिया.
पे banana would be cheaper than just ऐसे.
So imagine you get नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चल भी सकता है. You take out all the speakers.
हाँ.
You take out the covers and you sell it. पर वो डालेगा कहाँ पर? वो बनाए उसी गाड़ी के लिए. नहीं. Flawed है.
नहीं.
Thought
But
process
anyway,
is flawed.
so that was आप लोग के लिए गेड़ी मारो for this week. We'll see you again next week. More car news, more car insights, and more of these fun news जो अपने को मिलती है related to cars and automobiles.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you at the next one. Keep listening to us and keep watching us on all the platforms. See you at Gedi Maro next Saturday.
Take care.